Hey everyone! Well, today is my first ever video. I'm going to share with you my unboxing or unbagging of my Noel Mignon Heart of Gold Daily Diary Kit. I'll apologize now. I've got a bit of a cold and my one dog is snoring under my table. So let's start with the papers first. This is what comes in the kit. Look at those. That'd be great for cut apart. Same with those. Really like those. I love the colors of this month's kit. It's a great card for Valentine's. Lots of pretty little papers. The other thing that really caught my eye was the cut apart sheet acetate. Those are great. I love to do a lot of stitching in my project life and have some see-through pockets, so this would be fun even to put in a pocket and maybe with the frame one put some confetti behind it. Okay, some more great We Are Memory Keeper cut apart papers. Love it. Great alpha sheet this year, or this month. Lots of good colors and little extra stickers on the bottom. And now for the Envelopes. Wow, I love these. Crepe paper Hello Love. The hearts. Look how they shine. And some of the DIY enamel dots. They're a gold glitter. I don't know if I can... The lighting is really bad. I have to invest in some better lighting down here where I'm at. Look at these Dear Lizzie washi tapes. 4 pages of them. All the golds. And here's the designs. Those are nice. And I love doilies. This is perfect. Nice. More stickers. Part of the Pink Paisley Memorandum Collection. So there's the white, black, and the gold. Oh, look at these. I love them. Those are gorgeous. Also, there's a few clips, gold clips. Look at that flare. Some great baker's twine, white with gold. And some cute pins, bobby pins. Those will be fun to use. Oh, here's another flare. Okay, also included this month. Look at that. Love that, especially with my 2 boys. I love how these have all the gold, but then you've got the papers with the color. So it'll be a nice balance. That's beautiful. Can you hear my dog? Seriously. Snoring away. Yeah, wow, the lighting is really bad. Here, I'm gonna have to go. I purchased some new lights. Sorry about that. These cards are just gorgeous. Love this one. This one might be my favorite. And then we get all these My Mind's Eye cards. These are beautiful. Let's see. Start off with a nice sparkly heart. Look at that. This one would be fun to stitch or put some sequins behind. Nice little see-through shaker pocket. I love the colors this month. I like that one. Look at the sparkle. These are really nice. I love Noel kits. They're huge. I can get 4 weeks, complete weeks, like full. And I'm a really heavy embellisher when I do Project Life with Noel's kits. And usually I still have a few things left over, so well worth the money. Love this card. How cute is that? Okay, well, that is this month's Noel Mignon Heart of Gold Daily Diary Kit. If you want to see more or see the classic kit, which is a scrapbooking kit, head on over to her blog or to the shop. Thanks a lot.